As per our ongoing Chilliz cost forecast, the worth of Chilliz will expanded by 210.12%, coming to 26 cents by end of 2027 in an unpretentious manner. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing feeling truly is negative, while the trepidation and insatiability record generally is perusing 19.97, which really implies intense apprehension. Our Chilliz figure: it's unsafe to sell Chilliz at the present time. On January 25, 2025, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a very broad negative opinion among Chilliz cost forecasts, in spite of mainstream thinking. See the sort of definite Chilliz cost expectation underneath. You will basically know the amount Chilliz especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the fundamentally most recent 30 days, Chilliz certainly has diminished by 14.32%. Because of this, we can especially get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they sort of thought. Toward the finish of January, the worth of Chilliz expanded by 113.83% and came to approach around 16 cents, or so they thought. Right now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and avarice record shows 19.97 intense feelings of dread. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Chilliz in a quite enormous manner. At present, Chilliz truly is exchanging beneath the 200 fundamentally basic moving normal. For the genuinely most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2025, SMA has shown a Chilliz selling signal. The cost of Chilliz is right now running beneath the 50-day basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and it for the most part shows a sell signal, which in every practical sense, is very huge. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.0729 toward December's end. By December 2025, 2026, Chilliz most certainly momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0.0935. The overall strength file, RSI, force oscillator is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is right now at RSI value incredibly. This shows that the CHZ market is in an impartial position. Chilliz value expectation 2025. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2025, Chilliz arrived at 0.00 when it especially dipped under 0.00 interestingly since January 2021 in an unpretentious manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Chilliz is headed to passing the 16 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 16 cents, it might break its sign of 89 cents and reach, or so they thought. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Chilliz will break its past all-time in every way that really matters, high of 89 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 16 cents soon, in spite of prevalent thinking. At this point, on January 25, 2025, Chilliz for the most part is exchanging at $0.0734, and its 24-hour exchanging volume explicitly is around 43.77 M, and it makes number 118 cash in the sort of entire crypto world. Chilliz value forecast 2026. There is plausible that Chilliz can get through the 19 cents boundary and explicitly hold the market toward the finish of 2026. Especially the least Chilliz cost will explicitly be between 16 cents to 19 cents. And the most likely Chilliz cost will be consistent at around 19 cents toward the finish of 2026. Despite Chilliz certainly wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically threatening energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper for the most part is adhering to his expectation that Chilliz will by and large reach 19 cents toward the finish of 2026 or mid-2026. Chilliz value expectation 2027. By 2027, market examiners and specialists foresee that CHZ will begin the year at 22 cents and exchange around 26 cents. As per their forecasts, this would truly be incredibly essentially high contrasted with a year ago. This for the most part is actually an adequate leap in Chilliz. Chilliz Value Expectation 2028. There generally is a decent opportunity that Chilliz 2028 value forecast will twofold in cost, however it especially is likewise truly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme 34 cents level. Chilliz sort of is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking exceptionally high of 32 cents or 34 cents in 2028, and it very well may be the extended period of Chilliz. Chilliz Value Expectation 2029. Chilliz Value Forecast, or CHC, will encounter colossal development in 2029 as it in every way that really matters, can possibly accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. Chilliz cost explicitly is supposed to outperform 34 cents in 2029 in an unobtrusive manner. It in a real sense has been truly anticipated that Chilliz will basically arrive at the most extreme cost of 34 cents and the truly least cost is supposed to be around 28 cents in the kind of next a long time from 2029. Chilliz Value Forecast 2030. Market examiners and specialists truly foresee fundamentally say that Chilliz Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Chilliz is supposed to cross a value level of 40 cents in 2030 in a significant manner. In the meantime, Chilliz generally is supposed to arrive at least cost of 35 cents this year. The most extreme cost may explicitly reach 40 cents. Chilliz Value Forecast 2031. By the start of 2031, the Chilliz Value Expectation and Specialized Examination generally foresee that the expense of Chilliz will sort of reach 55 cents, and the cost of CHZ ought to reach 55 cents before the year's over. What's more, CHZ can reach up to 50 cents in cost, which generally is genuinely critical. From 2025 to 2031 delay will basically get huge years for Chilliz development a significant way. Chilliz Value Expectation 2032. Out of 2032, Chilliz Value Expectation fundamentally are supposed to cross the 76 cents exceptionally normal cost level, as indicated by Chilliz figure and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2032, Chilliz base cost is supposed to be 72 cents. Moreover, CHZ can arrive at a most extreme value level of 76 cents. Toward the finish of 2032, Chilliz will have a for the most part normal cost of 76 cents. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz Value Forecast 2033. Chilliz cost is assessed to sort of reach $1.01 by 2033, at least. With a typical exchanging cost of $1.04 all through 2033, Chilliz worth could come to $1.06 at its in a real sense the most noteworthy in an unobtrusive manner. The experts in every way that really matters, anticipate that the especially greatest cost should truly be exchanging around $1.04. Chilliz Value Forecast 2034. Of every 2034, Chilliz will attempt to arrive at the least degree of $1.38, or so they thought. It might in a real sense attempt to get the most extreme and next top level of $1.43 with the typical